Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to add a website, add a product in WordPress. Here you can show the website I have created already. Here is the top menu, the category of the products. Uh, we choose any one category. Here you can see the product which we have created selected in Bollywood sarees. Now I'm going to show you how to add a product in this category. First, we need to log in with our admin panel. Uh, you just simply type WP admin for login in WordPress admin panel. Just type here your username and password. Now we need to go in WooCommerce area product and select the all products. Here you can see all the product which we have already created. Uh, for adding a new product, click here to add new product. Here you can show all the option uh, create for a product. You can type here title for the product. This part is for description, and this one is product option like uh, in this area you can add the price for the product. In general section, in inventory section, you can manage the inventory like how many product you have. Then this part is for shipping method like your product is in weight or centimeter, etc. Then here is the another option for the linked product, like you can add the link if your product from another website, or like your product is on Amazon also. Uh, this is part for product category, like where you want to show your uh, product exactly with separated category. So we started the our first product. Uh, okay, and then I type some description about this product. Right now I'm entering just dummy content. Copy paste it multi time. Okay. Then set the price for this product in general section. Here you can manage the two type of price, like regular price and sell price. Like you want to get the discount for the product, you can type regular price for 100, and sell price you can type for 50 rupees only. You can also manage. Okay. Here you can type a short description about the product, and it will be shown on product page. Okay, now we need to set the category for the product. We need to show our product here. So we select first sari product category, and in subcategory Bollywood saris. So we find the category sari product. In sari product we choose Bollywood saris because we need to show our product here. So that's why. Here you can manage the product, like you want to make your product public as a publicly, or you want to see as a private. You can change the setting here, this area. Then after, here you can set the product image for this product. Click here on set product image. Here is our media part for the all products. You have new product, then you need to go on upload files. Then click here and select the file you have already. Where I have already uploaded the product, so I choose media library and select this product. Set the product, and after upload the product, product will be shown here. This is the part for the product gallery. Product gallery will be shown under the main image. So our product is ready. We included the price. Okay. We added short description, added title, all we have, and now we go to publish this product. Okay. Just click here to publish this product. After publishing this product, you go to our category area and just refresh the page. You can see the our product is up here. We have add the product in backend side, and product right now showing in this our category in saris, and saris in subcategory Bollywood saris. You can see here. Here you can see the title of the product, first product. Here's the price we have set it in backend 1000. You can easily update it. I will type 2000. Then update the product again and refresh the page. See, uh, our product is totally price is changing. Okay, now click on this product to view all the detail about the product. This is the page about our new product. Here you can see the big project for this product. The products gallery image will be show here if you added in backend side. Here is the description about the product. You can add the size guide here. This is the review. If someone review your product, then review will be show here. Uh, you can add the product in your cart by clicking here, like product, and manage the quantity from here. Now I'm going to add this product in my cart. So just I add this, click on add to cart, and let's see what's happened. You know, here you can see the product we have already added in cart. This is our first product already added in cart with one quantity. Uh, you can check out. This is our cart page. You can easily manage the product with quantity and update the project. Price will be automatically updated if you take some action. Then process for the checkout.